Hello everyone. Now in second video of unit 3 index number, right now we are going to start change of base sums based on change of base. This is our first sum. Convert the following fixed base index number. See, given index number is based on fixed base. Fixed base index number into chain base index number. Okay. Year and fixed base index number are given, but you have to remember two things here. If base year is given and if base year is not given. See, અહીંયા base year નો કોઈ ઉલ્લેખ નથી કર્યો, means base year is not given. When base year is not given, we have to take first year's index number is equals to 100. જ્યારે આપણે આન્સર લખીએ ત્યારે when base year is not given, first year's index number is always equals to 100 when we calculate chain base index number. Okay, but if here it is given that 2010 is base year, આપણે આન્સરમાં શું કરવાનું તો કે ભાઈ આન્સર લખીએ ત્યારે ફર્સ્ટ યર નો ઇન્ડેક્સ નંબર 110 પુટ કરી દેવાનો. Okay, so let us prepare our table. First we are writing here our formula of chain base index number. Chain base index number equal to index number equal to current year's fixed base index number upon previous years or preceding years. Previous years fixed base index number multiplied by 100. Okay, this is our formula. Okay, our table is ready for calculation. First write down our question, year and fixed base index number. Okay, this is our question. Start from 2011, 2012, 13, 2014, 2015 and 2016. Okay, now fixed base index number is given by 110, 170, 205, 230, 290 and 305. Okay, now calculate chain base index number using this formula. Chain base index number. Okay, formula we already putting here. Now see again, ફરી એક વખત ધ્યાન રાખો, base year is important. Here base year is not given, so always we are taking first year as base year, so we have to put 100 without any calculation in first year. But if base year is given, then we have to put 110. યાદ રાખવાનું, base year આપેલું હોય તો આપણે જે amount આપ્યું હોય એ ફર્સ્ટ યરમાં મૂકવાની. ફર્સ્ટ યરમાં કેલ્ક્યુલેશન ન થાય કોઈ દિવસ, otherwise તમારે કેટલા પુટ કરવાના? 100. Okay, now follow our formula. Current year's fixed base index number 170 divided by previous year's fixed base index is 110 multiplied by 100. Okay, પછી એક સાથે મૂકશું. 205 divided by 170 into 100, then by 230 current years divided by previous years 205 into 100 and 290 divided by previous years 230 into 100 and in last 305 divided by previous year 290 into 100. Okay, now find out answers. 100 in first year, okay, equal to and equal to. Okay, 170 divided by 110, not 100. Here 110 because first year's index number is 110. 170 by 110 equal to 154.55. 154.55. Okay, now second one, 205 divided by 170, 120.59. 120.59. Okay, now third one, 230, sorry, 230 divided by 205, 112.20. 112.20. And next one, 290 divided by 230, 126.09. 126.09 on, or you can put 126.1. And last one is 305 divided by 290, 105.17. 105.17. Okay, so this calculation is very easy, but you have to remember that base year is given or not given. Okay, our next sum is same heading, convert the following fixed base index number obtained by taking base year 2011. See, in previous sum base year was not given, but in current sum base year is given by 2011 into chain base index number. Okay, let us prepare our table. Okay, so here is our table. First of all, we have to write our formula. Chain base index number, short chain base index number equal to current year's fixed base index number divided by previous year's fixed base index number into 100. Okay, you can also write your formula here. Okay, now first column, right? First column here and fixed base index number. Okay, here start from 2012, 2000, 2013, 14, 15, 2016 and 2017. Okay, now fixed base index number 225, 275, 300, 310, 320 and 350. Okay, now chain base index number. Chain base index number. Okay, now question is, what is index number of first year? Okay, I'm telling you that if base year is not given, we have to put it is equals to 100. But in current sum, base year is given by 2011, so we have to put first year's index number is equals to 225. Remember that difference, base year is given and base year is not given. આમાં જ ભૂલ થાય છે, બરાબર છે? Because 2011 is base year. તો 2011 નો index number કેટલો હશે? Sorry. અહીંયા કેટલા મૂકવાના? 225. Okay, 2011 નો base year છે, એનો index number કેટલો હશે? 100. આગળનો સમ આપણે જોઈએ. તો base year is not given. Base year is not given. So we are taking 2011 as base year and base year no index કેટલો થાય? હંમેશા 100. Okay, in this question base year is already given by 11. તો 11 નો 100 થાય તો current year નો કેટલો થશે? તો કે આપણે કેલ્ક્યુલેટ કરીએ ફોર્મ્યુલા, તો કે current year 225 upon previous year 100. 11 નો 100 હશે ને base year છે એટલે into 100. 100 cancels. That's why we are putting we have to put 225. Okay, now remaining calculation, 275 divided by 225 into 100, then by 300 upon 275 into 100, then by 310 upon 300 into 100, 320 by previous year 310 into 100 and 350 upon 320 multiplied by 100. Okay, calculation આપણે કરી નાખીએ બધાની 225. Okay, now first year's index number 275 divided by 225 equal to 122.22. Next one is 300 upon 275, 109.09. 109.09. Next one, 310 by 300, 103.33. 103.33. Next one, 320 divided by 310, 103.23. 103.23. And in last, 350 divided by 320. 350 current year. Okay, so 78.125. This is our answer. See, यहाँ पर एक mistake थी 350 में ऊँधू करना है divided by 320. Sorry, 350 divided by 320. 109.38. 109.38 is our answer. Okay, चलो तो I hope क्या method તમને ખ્યાલ આવી ગયો છે. How to convert fixed base into chain base. Okay, now we are going to convert chain base into fixed base. Okay, now our third sum is convert the following chain base. See here, chain base index number is given. Chain base index numbers into fixed base index numbers. Okay, we have to convert chain base into fixed base here, and chain base index number is given. First, we have to write formula of fixed base index number. Okay, so what is formula of fixed base index number? Fixed base index number equal to current year's chain base index number लांबी formula છે multiplied by previous year's fixed base index number. Remember that fixed base base index number upon 100. Okay, it is quite lengthy in writing. Upon 100. Okay, so first of all, write down our question. Here, start from 2012, 2013, 2014, 2015 and 2016. Okay, then why chain base index number? Chain base index number 125, 160, 145, 170 and 155. 155. Okay, now we have to find fixed base index number. Fixed base fixed base index number. Okay, so fixed base index number equal to what? Fixed base index number equal to current years, but what is index number of first base is our question. What is index number for first year? Remember that in fixed base method, when we are changing chain base into fixed base, first year's index number is always we have to put as given in question. જે આપેલો હોય એ જ put કરવાનો. 100 તો 100 put કરો, 125 125 160 તો 160. બેઝ યર આમાં આપ્યું હોય કે ન આપ્યું હોય આપણે ધ્યાનમાં લેવાનું નથી. So first year's index number is 125. Okay, Now calculation for next year, and it is a very typical calculation. So focus here. Current year's change base index number. Current year's change base index number is 160. Okay, multiplied by preceding year's fixed base. Preceding year's fixed base is 125 divided by 100. Okay, આની સાથે સાથે calculation આપણે કરવી પડશે. So 160 into 125 by 100. 200. 200 is index number of 2013. Here we have to put 125. Again, remember that base year is given or not given. આમ તો આપેલું જ ન હોય, impossible છે. But ભૂલથી આપી દીધું હોય તો આપણે first year નો index number change કરવાનો નથી. Okay. Now, for 2014, current year's change base is 145. Multiplied by previous year's fixed base is 200. In short, આપણે શું યાદ રાખવાનું તો કે question, amount of answer divided by 100. Amount of answer of previous year. Okay, amount of question of current year, amount of answer of previous year upon 100. Okay, so 0 cancel out. 145 into 2 is equals to 290. Here 170 current year multiplied by previous year's 290 upon 100 equals to, चलो 0 cancel करिए तो 17 into 29 493 and in last year 155 into previous year 493 divided by 100 equals to 155 into 493 by 100, 764.15. 764.15. જો આમાં છે ને ફિક્સ બેઝમાં હંમેશા ઇન્ક્રીઝ થતો રહે ઇન્ડેક્સ નંબર, બરાબર છે? Our next question is, convert the following chain base index number into fixed base index number. Okay, year and chain base index numbers are given, but observe here first year's index number is given by 100. Okay, first of all write down our question, year and chain base index number. 2012 start from 12, 2013, 2014, 2015 and 2016. Okay, index numbers respectively 100, 102, 104, 98 and 103. Okay, now we have to find fixed base index number. So fixed base index number short માં લખું છું fixed base fixed base index number equal to, formula is current year's chain base index number into previous year's fixed base index number divided by 100. તમારે આવી રીતે નથી લખવાની, એક્ઝામમાં ફૂલ ફોર્મ્યુલા લખવાની, આપણે આગળ લખી હતી એ રીતે. Okay, now again question is, what is first year's index number? તો આપણે વાત કરી હતી જે હોય તે આપણે, બરાબર, જે આપ્યું હોય પુટ કરી દો 100. there is no question. અહીંયા 110 આપ્યું હોય તો 110 પુટ કરો, 200 આપ્યું હોય તો 200 પુટ કરો. First year is always as given in our question. Okay, now calculation of second year. Current year's 102. Previous year's chain base 100 divided by 100. 100 cancel out, so it is equals to 102. Okay, for first year's 100. Okay, now 2014, current year's 104, previous year's answer 102 upon 100 equals to 104 multiplied by 102. Okay, divided by 100, 106.08. 106.08. Now current year's 98 multiplied by previous year's 106.08 upon 100, and it is equals to multiplied by 98 divided by 100. 103.96. 103.96. And last one is, sorry, here we have to write first 103 multiplied by 103.96 upon 100, and it is equals to multiplied by 103 upon 100, 107.08. 107.08. Okay, so I hope કે તમને ખ્યાલ આવી ગયો છે how to change the base. Okay, so we'll meet in next lecture by Lashper Pasha and Fisher's videos.